Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the Google Calendar privacy settings. So if you're on the phone, start from the typing the Google Calendar, then use the shareable online calendar link to avoid the app redirect. Then log into the account, and now just choose the calendar that you want to change the privacy settings. Now click on the three dot icon and choose settings and sharing. Now just slide down, and how you can see there you have the share with specific people, and you can just manage your privacy here, like take off all of the permissions, and you can also go to the access permission for events, and now you can just make your calendar public or not. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.